reason we have not explored. So me and Karthik, we are going to explore ourselves and show you guys Hakimi in Shuaik, Kuwait. What we saw, we have come couple of times here. It's a very nice supermarket to explore and buy things in wholesale. And this area after that, Shuaik, the entire stretch, lot of like wholesale markets are there, especially for baking and dates and cutleries. So full wholesale price, you will get very good quality at affordable rates.
Hi, welcome to Al Hakimi supermarket.
And let's try to find it out, like what all things are there and is it worth the weekend spending over here. Let's come over.
Hi, you see this pulse?
Yeah.
We are getting for 350 fills.
See, there's 50 rupees written on it as well.
50 rupees Ayana sold at 350 fills KD.
So beautiful in India also this is, it's difficult, even though I have a marble set, but this is very exciting to see a wooden, roti maker and belan. Very nice.
With a stand.
So cute and with a hanging stand on it. Wow, I love it. Take this session.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at the belan options. There are so many. Unlimited. I'm going to go crazy with all these belans. Like, that's all. Like, I can't. Wow. Like, no name says anything. Look at the belans.
Dada.
Oh my god.
Dada.
This is like a bouquet.
Please look at your wife.
This is like
Wow.
a bouquet of belans. Like, for all happy vibes as well as angry vibes. So, let's. Wow, look at this.
Dada, look at this.
You can keep this for mukwas or jewelry.
Wow.
Here. Let me give you this also. See? Oh, this was getting scratched. Then I realized maybe I need to use only wooden. So we have a lot of wooden options for all induction uses. You can also that non-stick also, right? You can use this wooden ladle.
Oh my god, thumbs
Indian
up.
Thumbs up and then
We used to buy
one.
so much of
Okay,
this, no?
Let me give this as a gift to my husband. Okay.
Wow.
36.
Let's buy this. Wow.
Impulsive decisions at its peak.
ये कितना आइटम है देखो, ये बोट शेप फूटने का है. देखो ये तो सबके घर में होता ही है, सबके घर में होता है.
And it's very affordable. See, it's
So
like
nice,
1.6, 1 kd.
Oh my god, look at these also. See, cute. And big size, you have small size, all at one
Mom's
place.
going mad.
I'm just loving this store.
Where's Dada?
Fantastic piece. I'm taking one.
This is so nice.
Oh my god, the other side of this is totally teeny weeny knives. Even the big jumbo knives.
Oh my god, Dada.
Knives. Look at the jumbo knives. See the difference. And another thing is I will want to show is the very traditional Indian knives where yeah, so beautiful, like your own sizes. Like my mom used to love that teeny weeny, and my sister-in-law likes the similar very thin knives. So here you are getting everything. Oh my god, you don't have to go to India to buy things. Everything is available here in Kuwait itself.
This place is
Kavita and Karthik approved.
Yes,
buy
Hakimi,
one.
Hakimi. Don't delay, guys. This much. Oh my God! You know what? This is the pan cutter. You know
Yeah,
that?
beetle,
Supari,
beetle.
supari. Yeah, the beetle cutter. Wow. There in India now, I am getting to even see this. Oh, under one roof, you're getting many things. Even the watermelon cutter I saw somewhere here.
Let's buy this.
Whoa.
And these kind of knives also, you know, Mimi? So some certain fruits, vegetables, and maybe the non-veg cutters. This one. See, mitti ka kulhad. I used to carry from India. Wait.
250 fills.
See the handi ka bartan and like all other like the pots. See storage, you can keep it. Oh my God, like biryani pots, tea pots. And this is like you even have a roti ka tawa in iron as well as, wow, this is amazing. Everything under one section like.
Chidle Bandhu is a very famous namkeen shop in Pune. Seriously, man, this is another level, man. Very nice.
This is where a level, man.
Bro.
Arita and shikakai. Arita and shikakai. This is the soap nut. Okay, and shikakai. These are herbal for hair, wash, which we use it. It's full is available, not just powder. You can get the organic one. Look at here, the black salt whole. And see the other herbs which we have heard, not heard. Everything is available here. Oh my God, the dates.
Let's go.
It's so beautiful. Everything dry fruit section was like amazing. Let's check out. Oh my God, this is Niveda's section. Oh my God. This is all? Yeah, no, I'm sure they will have more. There, that. It's bye-bye. It's bye-bye. Okay, enough. You are at home. Put it back.
No, thank you.
Oh my God. So many to spoil all the children. Oh my God, bye-bye. So many options. So nice. Here we went to the utensils and then we came to the fresh food section. We went to some extra groceries section. And here I am seeing something like, see, you can buy all this in ebakala.com also. Okay. So here these are 3 items. There's a very cute welcome board also. Welcome to Al Hakimi supermarket. That's nice. Let's go first floor and explore. Not bad. I was not expecting this way. Nice. They have. It's very spacious, not very crowded. See, actually, look at this bag. Anything you want for your, immediate set dressing side table you can use, or for a parlor. And here for puja, you have almost all the items. There is some special occasion coming in tomorrow, and like we got 2 twin, diyas here. That's so beautiful. Like, see, we could pick up unlimited option of, like, see, camphor for camphor burning, और आरती के लिए and अगरबत्ती के लिए so many options. Storage, it's amazing. Like, first floor is full of very useful items, and looks like some dress options which we have not explored. We don't need it right now. I especially came for picking up some puja items which I got it here. I'm happy. Yeah, some small groceries too. And this most exciting is getting this, and also some dates. Very good. Some gift option I picked up. Almost half a day or full day shopping, you have option of full meals. 1 kg meals and so many rajwa chawal, veg pulao, kadhi chawal, veg thali, and also day special. Kids, looks like all kids special. Plain Maggie, veg Maggie, egg Maggie, paneer Maggie, fresh jalebi too. And all affordable, like, see. Icing on the cake is the small sugarcane or fruit setup what they have it here. So we really loved it. The experience is very amazing. And there I go with a quick glance of stationery. My daughter used to love this. Now she has grown big, so accessories, electronics, still books, lot of options. That's nice. So very kind of them. There is a guy who is coming in section fabric. And finally, after all the walk, talk, shopping, we have got fresh sugarcane juice. Yes, added lemon to it. That's nice. Do they have that ginger option?
Not ginger, they also have, I think, with lemon they put some chaat masala, pepper.
Chaat masala.
Something
pepper.
like that.
Ah, okay, that is making very, chatpata. Good.
So overall, what was your experience, Mama?
10 on 10, I would say. Very nice. Like after Lulu, yeah, Lulu is altogether different. We have to capture Lulu. But then here it was like, I have never come. Like, so after 15 years, this is the first time. So definitely very exciting experience. Yummy, like sugarcane is our favorite. We always actually pick it up from, you know what, in Boulevard, that signal, when we go towards Lulu. So that bicycle shop, what is the junction, like just before
Boulevard,
Red
Tag.
Marina,
just before
cross.
Red Tag, and that one right cut which gets into towards that we can reach where using that Max, that road, so there, that corner, there is a very nice old building, but extremely neat, clean sugarcane, tried, tested for last so many years now. We, whenever we pass by that road, we ensure we take one. And summers we we actually have good plan.
Go
like,
mad.
we go out to drink sugarcane juice. And after that, now this is the place I feel like we liked it. Like,
It's Indian
Yeah.
style also. They put lemon and some chatpata.
They make it fresh and give.
So they are making fresh in front of you and giving. So good. Try it out if you are at Hakimi. Try their fresh sugarcane juice, which we have tried, tested. It's good. Yeah. Me we liked it. Means everybody will like it.